Hello, I'm Ellen McShane, and I have some exciting news for you. Nexus Snap, which has the most phenomenal compensation plan, has just extended their GoPro challenge until the end of January. So I would really encourage you to sign up for Nexus Snap as soon as you can. And as soon as you get into signing up for Nexus Snap, you begin to recruit. You only need 5 people by the time you get to January 31st. And in order for them to join, all they need is $49.95, a $40 one-time affiliate fee and a $9.95 monthly subscription. If you've been in Nexus Snap for a while and you've recruited people, say you have 5 people, in order for you to get to the award with GoPro, you need to bring in just 2 more people so that you're at least at 7 people if you've had at least 5 up till now. So what happens is that by going into this GoPro challenge, you then will be paid at the diamond level for all of the Force Matrix monthly rewards. And so it's a phenomenal opportunity, 100% check match for the Forced Matrix, for everyone that has been personally enrolled to you. And you can't go wrong. Then in order to keep getting paid at the diamond level, all you need to do is bring in 1 person every month so that you can be paid for the full 6 months of this GoPro challenge opportunity. You're going to love Nexus Snap. It's a great way to save money with cash back and savings on utilities and car insurance and all types of opportunities in many different countries. It is global. And not only do you save money, but the amount of money that you can make through this compensation plan while you build a team is amazing. And if you just want to be there passively, they've set it up so that you can also earn eventually up to $2,400 plus by just being on the monthly subscription. So don't miss out on the GoPro challenge. It's a great opportunity that now is going to go to the end of January. Good luck and come join my team. Click on the link connected with this video in the description and I'll be in touch to make sure we get you all set up so you can get those 5 people and be able to be paid at the diamond level, 100% check match. Take care.